Hi, boys and girls. Okay, so we're going to work on our problem of the day. I have it written down right here. And I also have our key action posters that we're going to use to determine what action we will be using to solve our problem. And I also have some chips to use to solve the problem as well. And so if you don't have any chips or any cubes, you can use macaroni, you can use rocks, you can use marbles, you can even use candy, okay? So just use what you have at home, all right? So I'm going to read the problem together with you. Mike saw 10 ladybugs on a flower. Then 3 ladybugs flew away. How many ladybugs are left on the flower? Okay, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to fill in our BME, our beginning, our middle, and our end, okay? All right, so in the beginning, how many ladybugs did Mike see on the flower? 10, you're right. So we're going to put the number 10 in our box. Okay. Now for the middle, how many ladybugs flew away from the flower? You're right, 3 ladybugs flew away. Okay, so we're going to put 3 for the middle. Okay, we don't know our ending yet, do we? No, we don't. So what are we going to put in the ending box? We're going to put a question mark. You are right. Okay. Okay, so now we have to decide what action we will be using to solve our problem. Okay, so I want you to look at our posters, and I want you to choose which action we will be using, okay? Are we going to join, or are we going to separate? What do you think we're going to do to solve the problem? If you said separate, you are correct. We are going to separate because how many ladybugs flew away? 3 ladybugs flew away. Okay, so now let's use our counters. So if you have your macaroni or your marbles, whatever you're using, you can start using those, okay? So I'm going to count out 10 ladybugs, okay? So you can count with me, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So I have 10 ladybugs. But I know that Mike said how many flew away? 3 of them flew away. So we're going to take how many away? 3. Okay, so you take your 3 away. I'm going to take my 3 away. 1, 2, 3. So I took 3 away. Now we're going to count our difference. That means what is left on the flower, okay? So let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Did you get 7? Good, I did too. So we have the answer. The answer is 7. Okay, so we're going to put 7 in our E, okay? Okay, so now we know that there were 10 ladybugs. 3 of them flew away, and 7 were left on the flower. 7 is our difference, okay? So right here, we're going to circle which action we used, okay? Because we're going to use this symbol to write out our number sentence. So which one are you going to circle? Joining, plus sign, or separating, the minus sign? Which one are you going to circle? You're going to circle the minus sign. That's correct. Okay, so I'm going to circle. Now, we have to do a pictorial model before we write our number sentence. So using your pencil or your crayons, you can draw how many ladybugs? 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many are you going to take away? 3, that's right. So take away 3 of those. 1, 2, 3. Circle your difference, okay? I'm going to circle my difference. Now, when we use the counters, we counted that there were 7 left. That was the difference. So let's make sure our pictorial model is correct. Count your difference, okay? Count mine with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And it matches. Very good. So now we're going to do our number sentence. Okay? How many ladybugs did we start with? 10. Okay, write your 10. Our symbol is going to be the minus sign. You're right. How many did we take away? 3. Good. Write your 3 down. equal sign, and how many were left? What was the difference? 7. Good job. Okay, we did all the steps needed to solve our problem. We read the story, we filled in our BME, we chose our action, we drew our pictorial model, and we used our counters. So we did all the steps necessary to solve our problem. Very good, boys and girls.